My name is Dr. Vidya Singh. I'm an MD physician and currently I'm starting a new clinic at Caranzalem. I had a Caranzalem clinic which is upgraded to a bigger clinic now to cater to more patients and more added services. Currently, I'm taking care of severely ill patients in medical practice. On top of it, I'm also taking care of cardio-diabetic patients and then general patients also. We do not require appointments as of now. We are taking walk-in clients and whoever wishes to come to us. We are functioning in morning sessions as well as evening sessions. You are welcome to our clinic for any kind of ailments, and we also provide referral services to other doctors and other services if at all required. You can come to us anytime. I'm available for you. You have my details. You'll get my details through online also. And opening this clinic was a big challenge initially. We had a lot of people inquiring regarding treatments for COVID initially. Clinic was initially started in Caranzalem for COVID treatment. And we did a lot of COVID free treatment in the area when there were no hospitals having beds and places for treatment. Even in this clinic, considering COVID pandemic, I have made arrangements for emergency treatment as well. Treatments like, for example, requirements of oxygen, concentrators, and all those things will be made available through the clinic for any patients who require at home as well. We are also planning to do further ahead and expand in certain areas. We already have another established practice in Porvorim, now in Caranzalem for past 2 years. This is a bigger space now. So we expect more and more people to take avail services rather than running around in their emergency time and not finding anybody when they need somebody. So I'm available for you guys to consult with you for whatever ailments you are suffering from. And you can visit me anytime with appointment and as well as walk-in. I'm available to you guys.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.